Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video, and today we're going to be looking at this new application. Well, it's new to me, but it's been out for quite some time, and it's called Tema, and it's on version 2.1, and this is a very interesting app that allows you to download themes for your PS Vita and PS VitaShell. If you're not familiar with VitaShell, it's basically an app that allows you to look at all of your files and control, moving stuff around here and there, deleting stuff, and accessing the FTP server or the USB connection directly to your PC. And there's quite a few themes out there, and you can see when you go into main settings and you press start, there's an option of theme, and you can go through and change it to whatever you like. There's a lot of different themes, and one of my favorites is Atom. Let's go to Atom, and once you change a theme, we can restart it, restart VitaShell, and there you go. That is a VitaShell theme. So you can have all sorts of cool themes for this, and I'll be showing you how to obtain some through the application of Tema. It also provides themes for the PS Vita, just like this. It's very cool. So let's check it out, and you can find the VPK link in the comment section down below, or you can also download it through the VitaDB application, and I'd recommend to do that if you already have it. So if you have VitaDB, you can search for this app, and there it is. You can press X, download it, it will install it, and you're good to go. So when you install the app, you must create a folder, which I discovered through my stream. It was a lot of fun. And what we have to do is go under your UXO folder. In UXO, we have to create a new folder called PTMP. So just hit triangle, hit new folder, and we're gonna name this PTMP, just like that. But since I already created it, I'm not going to do that. And this folder is basically used to temporarily download the file, extract the files, install the files, and then afterwards the app will delete the files from the folder. So it needs a location to do all of this work, and this was not mentioned in their installation process when I was going through this for the first time, when I was trying to use this in the past, and I was having no luck. And that's one of the main reasons why I never covered it here on the channel. And it's nice that I was able to kind of figure that out through a Reddit user that was kind enough to help someone out that was needing some troubleshooting advice or whatever through this application, because they were just not getting the downloads properly, where you would download something but it would just give you an error or it would just crash the application. So I will be showing you what this looks like here from their website. So let's take a look at this website real quick and show you what we got going on. So here's Tema version 2.1, and it says how to use. For downloading temp files, here's where the zip files are downloaded and then deleted after the extraction process. So it really doesn't tell you that you have to create this folder, and I highly suggest the developers or creators of this would add that detail in how to use, because the app itself does not create this folder, and you'll have to do that yourself. And that was one of the things that I was having issues with using this app, and I really wanted to cover it when I first started uploading my PS Vita content. So anyways, let's now take a look at this app and see what we got going on. But I just wanted to mention that real quick. You'll be using the web browser to download this stuff. So when you open up the Tema application, you're welcomed by very minimal page here. It says, please be careful not to install a VitaShell theme as a live Area 1. And we have different options. Pressing X will install a VitaShell theme. Pressing circle will install a Livearea theme. Triangle will go to the Livearea themes delete menu. And square will delete all unique Livearea themes. So let's first install a VitaShell theme. Let's press X. And this will open up the web browser for us. And it will ask us to accept a certificate because it's been expired. So just hit yes. And it will show the page. And here you can start to look at all of the different options. And I noticed that they don't have every single one that's been released. There are several, there's a lot more themes for the PS Vita shell, but for now, these are the options under this application. And I want to download, there was one I really wanted to download that I don't have yet. Let's go back, or no, let's go forward 3. I don't have this blue shell by Raznek, so I'm going to download this one. This was updated 4 months ago. 540 kilobytes. So let's hit the Vita download. It will now take us back to Tema, and it will start downloading the blue shell. And there is no indication bar or progress bar, so we just have to wait. And don't exit out of this app, just let it do its thing. And you'll see some changes here. Once it's completely done, it will start to extract the files and install the theme for you. There's installing the file, deleting temporary files, auto exiting in 5 seconds, done. The theme is now installed. All right, so let's check out VitaShell. And there we go. It automatically set up the theme for us. Let's check it out. And by default, in main settings under theme, it will be set as default. But if you press the left button, it will go to the newest one that you have installed. And I did install already 3 of them. Blue Shell by Raznek. And let's restart VitaShell. Default is going to give us the regular black, which is the standard default of VitaShell. But pressing start, going back here, blue shell, make sure that's highlighted and selected, and then we can restart VitaShell. And that's the way you can change these themes back and forth. And that looks pretty clean. I like it a lot. Very nice. So again, we do need that temporary folder, the PTMP folder. You don't need to put the slash on there, the backslash. I just typed in PTMP, created the folder, and it was already there after I created it. So let's go back and check out a proper PS Vita. Let's go back and check out the Livearea theme. So let's press circle, and this will open up the browser again. And we have to accept the certificate, hitting yes. And there we go. We can now look at, this is another custom themes manager type of an app. Very cool. And there's 23 pages. That is awesome. And there's some that I have never seen before on the custom themes manager. And I have seen a few of them already on that app, like this Asuka theme. So for this demonstration, we will download the Steam theme. So let's hit Vita download. And again, it will take us back to Tema. And now we don't see the same kind of a setup like we did with the VitaShell theme. So here it says press select to install the Livearea theme as unique, or press start to install the Livearea theme as common. So what we want to do is press select to install as unique. So now it's backing up the data file, backing up data files, backing up database, I'm sorry, shell downloading, installing theme. It says done. The theme is now installed. Deleting temporary files. Inserting theme path to database. And there we go. Let's check it out. And let's go under our settings. Whoops. Moving a little too fast. Go under settings. And go under our theme and background. And this is kind of weird because usually Custom Themes Manager, anytime you download a new theme and install it, it will be at the very top. But for Tema, it will be at the very bottom, and it won't have like a wallpaper or whatever, like a preview display, nor a name. So what you have to do is just go in and select it. And there is the supposedly Steam theme. And let me just close that out real quick. And I'm pretty sure that's the Steam theme. Once you select it, that was another weird thing, is once you select it, install it, it will start showing up as the theme that you just downloaded. And I get this a lot. This is another kind of an error, and I'm glad that this is showing up so we can talk about this. This error, I'm not sure why, but anytime you install a Livearea theme, this error occurs. And in order for you to fix this, it's very simple, very easy. You have to restart your PS Vita completely. Closing out the app like this won't do much. I tried to do that, but still had the same results. So what you have to do is just restart your PS Vita, and it should be working again. You can download another theme, and I suggest just continue to download your theme so you won't see that error, and don't install the theme until you've completely finished downloading what you want on your Vita. But if you continue to see that problem, just restart your system and go through the process again. It is a bit tedious, but it's another option for you to download themes. And also, the Custom Themes Manager doesn't give us the option to download the PS Vita, the VitaShell themes, which I think should be included in a Custom Themes Manager. But there you go. Let me know in the comment section what you think of this app. I would love to know if you are using this, or if you come across any problems. I'd love to know and help you out on that. So there it is. That is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you have any questions, please comment down below, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.